Look at this one. I don't know what it is. Why they have the coconut here in front of the temple? I'm not sure. And then also there's something that they're burning here. Rumah Bahala Sharif Toyadi Vinegar. And this is the location. So it's around 600 meters from the Maluri MRT station. I just go through. You can see that this is the way I go. And then I walking here. I'm almost to reach the restaurant. Yeah, in this place they have a lot of things. They have the MBF. It's kind of like what is that? It's like a furniture. You see the spa for skin treatment, massage. We see skin laser. It's also spa for skin treatment over here. A lot of treatment on this street. Very nice. And this is the restaurant that I would like to review. The restaurant name is Restaurant Fahtimaa and Cheras. And this is very near to somewhere in the city. So let's go along with me and then figure out. And cake. Morning. Morning. So they have the television here. Oh, this is quite busy though. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Hi, nice to meet you again. We can go to kitchen to make the potato, right? Because we asked him and then he said yes. Okay guys, so let's go inside the kitchen and then figure out. Hey, this is egg. Wow, it's huge. Barbados. What is that? Curry sauce? I'm so excited. Oh, sorry. There you go. This is the kitchen of Fahtimaa. Okay, restaurant Fahtimaa Cheras. This is the kitchen. Wow. So fast. Got it. This is great skill. Perfect. Very nice. Ah. Super. What is that? Oh, tomato also. This one is for the chicken curry. Oh. Give me. Very nice. Wow. The size is exactly the same. It's a great skill though. Ayam. Nice. Wow. Give me. It's very fresh. Wow. There you go. Okay, cutting the chicken. There's some mint, chili also, and some onion and tomato. Basically, we cut some mint and seasoning the curry chicken. Oh, beautiful fire. Wow. Turmeric, some chili. Wow. What's that?
Makan.
Oh, makan. It looks so beautiful, so delicious. Ah, wow. Turmeric. It's a really beautiful color. Some chili. Smells so good. Ooh. Amazing. Some water. Oh wow, wow. Oh, this is a curry sauce. Curry sauce, right? Nada. Oh, very nice. Oh, cannot wait for eating this. Oh, another one. Wow. And that's what's that? No.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me.
Hey, ikan kalapara. Ikan kandila. Also got fish.
Yes. Fish also.
I can make I can make Guatemala.
Yes, yes.